Hi, I'm Terry Nye, registered dietitian, here to help you find easy ways to add beans into your family meals. Canned beans are an easy and nutritious option to have in your kitchen. I always have a can or 10 in mine. One of the questions I get as a dietitian all the time is, I bought a can of beans, what do I do with it now? Let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. First step is to prep the canned beans before adding them to your recipe. You need to drain and rinse the beans, as this removes 40% of the salt, as well as reducing the carbohydrates that cause gas. One of the meals I love to boost with beans is the classic spaghetti and tomato sauce. Simply add a can of drained and rinsed beans into your favorite sauce. Pasta sauce is a great option for introducing beans to first-timers. The small beans that you see here, these black beans, they're a great texture for incorporating into ground meat, chopped veggies, and sauce.